While I was relaxing and getting ready for bed, I noticed a notification. Someone had just joined my list. And here's the wild part. They immediately upgraded at two levels, the $25 and the $125. That unlocked $20 and $100 in monthly residual commissions for me, stacking every single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why these funnels keep converting in 2025, how I position myself to capture all three levels of residual income, and most importantly, how I can be your tag team partner. Just tag me in, getting you traffic, leads, and potentially even sales right alongside of you. By the end, you'll see how to plug into a system that not only pays you residual at $8, $20, and $100 month after month, but also follows up your prospects automatically. Well, I'm helping you build momentum every step of the way. This is why Home Business Academy funnels convert in 2025. Most affiliate marketing funnels online, they're built wrong. They're hype-driven, overcomplicated, and they burn out fast. People chase shiny objects, but they don't stick. They don't duplicate. They don't build trust. And with a hype phase, so do the conversions. But HBA funnels? They're engineered differently. They're built on proof, simplicity, and duplication. And they don't cost an arm and a leg and a left nut. That's why they keep converting in 2025, because they're not fighting the algorithm. They're working with it. And I'll break down the exact reasons why. Let's break it into 4 pillars. Trust first design, clean, mobile, optimized pages like this one right here. No fluff, no distractions. People see exactly what they're getting. Like my sales last night, $20 and $100 residually, stacking every single month. And the best part, it came from someone I didn't even know. Someone who'd been silently watching. Proof that people are paying attention even when you don't realize it. If you capture all 3 levels, you position yourself to make $8, $20, and $100 residually every single month. Now imagine this. What if someone joins you at all 3 levels? That's $128 a month from just one person. And what if it's not just one person, but 5, 10, 20? That's how residual income scales. Duplication systems, swipe-ready assets, training that anyone can plug into. And a system that doesn't just work for me, it works for the team. That's why conversions don't spike, they sustain. If this breakdown is helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next reveal. And give this video a like. I'm not just talking theory here. I'm showing you what's happening in real time. I woke up to proof. Because I was falling asleep in the middle of my, I was getting ready to bed, and I kept trying to finish my work, and I kept falling asleep. I'm upgrading to Premier today. I did already. Because I wanted to capture all 3 levels of commissions. That means $8, $20, and $100 stacking residual. And guess what? I did it out of profit. And here's where authority meets leverage. I built a personal rotator system that I'm giving as a bonus to anyone who smartly joins me at the 10, 25, and 125 levels. That means when I buy leads, we share them. When I generate leads from my content, we share them. Every click rotates between me and you. At 50-50, I'm literally building your email list alongside mine. Guess what? The smart person will get the 3 levels of residual income and let me help them. Tag me in. I'm ready. You ever watch wrestling? Tag me in. I'm going to be your tag team partner. But I'm not stopping there. I'm also giving you the exact training I use every single day to dominate YouTube. This is a powerful, evergreen, free traffic formula that allows me to rank my videos every time I upload them, and to rank consistently on Google too, the first page of Google. And it's not just for you. We'll train your team members on the exact daily steps they need to follow. That means you become the person people want to join. Because you're not only building your own list, you're giving your team the same system. And here's the kicker. You can use this formula to promote any program online. Build whatever business you want. Whether it's home business, a digital marketing offer, or even a side hustle. Industry leaders agree proof, positioning, and duplication are what sustain conversions. And that's exactly what the system delivers. My system also works for me on autopilot. I get paid when I'm out living life, whether I'm eating, sleeping, working, or even watching a football or basketball game. Think about how powerful that is. Don't you want a system like that working for you? And here's the kicker. My system is following up with every lead automatically, potentially 150 different times through my autoresponder, sending emails on my behalf without me having to contact them once. That means my business is building relationships, delivering value, and closing sales for me around the clock 24/7, baby. That's not just convenient, that's potentially life-changing. Because when your system is working for you around the clock, you're no longer trading time for money. You're building residual income that stacks month after month, even while you're out living life. Now picture this. Every month, $8, $20, and $100 commissions stacking residually. That's $128 a month just from one person. Multiply that by 5, 10, even 20 people, and you see why positioning matters. Your team plugging into the same duplication systems. Your funnel working for you while you sleep, just like mine did last night. People go here, right? Give me a minute. It's not wanting to load. People go here when it loads and put their name and email address in, okay? Name and a real email address, hit I want in, and they come to a page like this, okay? They hit this play button, they hear my story, they see my phone number, they can text or call me, right? I'm a real person. I tell my real story in here, okay? We build a funnel like this, not a watered down company page that everybody's already seen before, okay? Something that tells your story and shows people that you're a real person. They're joining a real person, okay? Your funnel working for you while you get ready to go to bed, just like mine did last night. That's not just income. That's freedom. Freedom! That's why these funnels convert. They're not built for one-off wins. They're built for long-term residual duplication and residual stacking. And in 2025, when attention spans are shorter and competition is louder, the funnels that win are the ones that are simple, proof-driven, and duplicatable. That's what HBA Home Business Academy delivers. And I'm going to show you real proof that this works, okay? Not only the ranking, but real proof from my wallet, right? I'm even going to log into my online banking account. $6.58 to Bank of America, right? The sales I was talking about last night, $20 and $100, okay? The 8305 from a different company, right? The 3450. Notice, this is all in the last month. Actually, it's about 15 days, okay? And I'm going to log into my, see, hot diggity dog, the HBA, right? A day ago, $20 and $100 from a person I didn't even know, okay? I'm going to log into my online bank account, and I'm going to show you these payments. Remember, 650, 8305, and 3450. So I'm not just blowing smoke up your ass. I'm going to show you the actual numbers. Okay, 650, that's automatically deposited in my account because I did a one-time setup. 3450 and 8305, the exact same numbers are in my bank account, right? And again, these aren't cookie cutter systems. This isn't the same system. You can build your own funnel, okay? We can get you your own funnel. A video just like this. And guess what? You don't have to put yourself on camera if you're not comfortable. I worked my way up there. I did plenty of Simple Freedom Warrior videos where I wasn't even on camera, okay? So I'm going to show you that these actually rank real quick, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is, hopefully if I have enough time, to actually put up video pages, okay? So we're going to go over here. We're going to check out the rankings real quick. I'll be right back because this is not loading. And we're back. So let's go app review on Google. You can see I'm not signed in, right? This is incognito. Okay, number 2 video. And for the Let's Go App review on YouTube, that's a team member, by the way, Andrew Guthrie. And if you scroll down just a little bit, there's my video right there. These are taking forever to load. I'm going to go to one that's already loaded. Hopefully. DFY marketing system, number 1 on Google. Okay. DFY marketing system on YouTube. Okay. We actually got multiple videos here. Number 1 video on YouTube and number 1 video on Google. And there we are again. And there we are again. And again. And again. And again. Done. 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 Another one bites the dust. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one bites the dust. Okay? Here's Financial Literacy Academy. Another product of HBA, right? And you can build any system with this. The number 1 video. The number 1 video on YouTube. Again, the compensation plan. I think I'm the number 3 video. Okay? And this isn't about me, it's about you. So I'm going to show you real quick how easy it is to make a video page, okay? So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to my website. And I'm going to go back, right? I'm going to copy this title, right? Copy. Then we're going to go real quick and we're going to paste it in. Paste. Okay, now we're going to get the share code, right? Copy. We're going to go back here. We're going to change it from HBA review, and watch this. How simple is that? Can you make a funnel like that? Can you copy and paste? Okay, I bet you can. They have overshow videos too, right? With HBA, right? And guess what? This doesn't cost an arm, a leg, and a left nut. $25 a month. But if you're smart enough, you'll get the Let's Go Up, change your life. Change your life with like the miracle morning type thing. And then the $25 level, the $10 level, and the $125 level, and be your tag team partner, getting you traffic leads and sales for you while you live your life. Now, I'm not saying don't do nothing, but if you don't have time, I can help you succeed. I can help you build your email list, and I can help you potentially get sales too. So here's the next step. Click the link in the description. Check out the playlist and see for yourself why Home Business Academy funnels convert in 2025. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Position yourself to capture all 3 levels just like I'm doing today. Because the sooner you plug in, the sooner you start stacking $8, $20, and $100 residual month after month. That's why Home Business Academy funnels convert in 2025. And this is why this is your moment to take action. And if you got value, drop a comment below and subscribe, because I've got more insider strategies coming you don't want to miss. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. Don't wait until you see me post another proof screenshot. Position yourself now so the next story could be yours. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.